Welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. As usual, my name is Coach Uganda. I come from Uganda. What about you? In today's video, I'd like to talk about how you can cure bad breath. Some of you brush, but even though you brush, you still stink. Not just because you don't know how to brush, but sometimes it occurs when you have bacteria in your mouth. So today I decided to tell you what you can use at home in order to prevent that problem, in order to cure that problem. Trust me, very simple to use at home. You just need only one product. Okay, but before I proceed, my dear, don't forget to subscribe on this YouTube channel Coach Uganda, to invite your friends to this YouTube channel Coach Uganda, to leave a comment in the comment section, and of course we can be friends on TikTok Coach Uganda, Facebook Coach Uganda. You just need only one product. You need just coconut oil. Coconut oil, when it comes to prevent or to cure bad breath, my dear, this works 100%, and it's very easy to use at home. You just need only one product, coconut oil. So starting from today, my dear, go and buy yourself coconut oil, because some of you brush but you still stink. Some of you brush more than 5 minutes but you still have bad breath. So this product will help you to cure bad breath. So you just need one product. So this is what you're going to do, my dear. I want you to get yourself coconut oil, okay? And what you're going to do is, I want you to get one cover of your coconut oil, like this one. Let me show you. Like this one, okay? Like this one. From that, I want you to put this recipe or this coconut oil in your mouth. Do like this. So you put this in your mouth, leave it there at least for 10 minutes. From that, use warm water to rinse your mouth. Warm water, not cold water. It means every day I want you to put coconut oil in your mouth for 10 to 15 minutes. From that, use warm water to rinse your mouth. Do it every day, at least for 4 weeks. Trust me. So guys, you need this recipe, just one product to cure bad breath, to improve on your smell in your mouth. So guys, try this recipe, my dear. You will thank me later. Just one product can make wonders, guys. And I love you so much. God bless you. Bye bye.